Hi everyone, I would like to start a new series where I'll do my best to distill the latest updates in the AI world from the past week, ranging from newly released models or AI chips to recent papers or studies. I hope you'll enjoy it, and I'll aim to release a video at the beginning of the week, but please don't be upset if it occasionally gets delayed. So, let's get right into it. The first item in current newsletter is obviously OpenAI's recent launch of its new model, o1-preview, which was formerly referred to as Project Strawberry or QAR. This model is engineered to tackle complex reasoning tasks and is said to perform at a level comparable to a PhD student in areas such as physics and programming. It marks a notable advancement over earlier models, showing improved results across various benchmarks, especially in mathematics and coding challenges. The o1-preview model employs reinforcement learning and a chain-of-thought strategy, enabling it to methodically work through problems before providing answers, which enhances its reasoning skills. Nonetheless, it still has its shortcomings, occasionally making mistakes that a human would not, and its effectiveness can fluctuate depending on task complexity. The article covers Google's introduction of DataGemma, an initiative aimed at improving the reliability of LLMs by linking them to data commons, a comprehensive database containing over 240 billion data points from reputable sources like the UN and WHO. This effort seeks to minimize AI hallucinations, instances where AI generates incorrect information, by anchoring responses in verified data. DataGemma features two models, Retrieval Interleaved Generation, or RIG in short, and Reg Retrieval Augmented Generation, or REG in short, which enhance the accuracy of AI outputs by actively querying trusted sources and integrating relevant information from data commons, thus improving the factuality and reasoning of the models. The next items were released a bit more than a week ago, but I still found them really interesting, so I thought it would be a good idea to add them here in the first video of the series. Firstly, we have Google DeepMind's AlphaProteo, an advanced AI system that designs new proteins capable of binding to specific target proteins, which could have a significant impact on drug discovery and treatment for diseases like cancer and autoimmune disorders. AlphaProteo has shown remarkable results in laboratory settings, with its designed protein binders exhibiting binding strengths that are 3 to 300 times superior to traditional methods. The technology is based on extensive training with protein data and is freely available, allowing researchers globally to utilize this innovative tool in their work. Next, recent studies have assessed the capabilities of LLMs in generating novel research ideas, comparing them to expert human researchers. The results suggest that ideas generated by LLMs are perceived as more novel than those from experienced experts, although they tend to be slightly less feasible. This research underscores the potential of LLMs in the ideation phase of scientific discovery, while also recognizing challenges such as the lack of diversity in generated ideas and the complexities of human judgment in evaluating novelty and feasibility. Lastly, a study involving nearly 5,000 software developers from Microsoft, Accenture, and a Fortune 100 electronics company reveals that the use of GitHub Copilot, a generative AI coding assistant, results in a 26.08% increase in task completion. The findings indicate that less experienced developers gain the most from this technology, showing greater productivity improvements. Overall, while opinions on the broader implications of AI in the workplace vary, this evidence suggests that generative AI significantly boosts productivity in high-skilled jobs today. And that's basically it for the first video in this series. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this new series, and please let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with the new parts I am going to release. See you in the next one. Bye bye.